Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today we are going to review the new M1 MacBook Pro. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the new MacBook M1. It's got the Apple processor on it. As you can see, this one is the the upgrade from the Intel Mac 13-inch that I had, but then I gave away when this one came out. This is the entry level. As you can see, these are the specs. Come on, zoom. Yes, these are the specs. As you can see, it's the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the 8 gig memory, and that's the SSS. It's the new M1 processor, all of the good stuff. Yes, so we are going to quickly review this MacBook Pro. Give me 1 second, I will go and get the MacBook and we will have a look. Okay, 1 second. So as you can see, this is how the new MacBook Pro M1 looks like. It is basically the same thing as the standard Intel Macs with the 2 Thunderbolt cable with the Apple side and 1 headphone jack. Nothing else. It is quite thin, as you can see. But yes, this is all it has. I will open it and show you the screen. There you can see it has the big or whatever it's called, the processing. It's got the touch panel, as you can see. Yes, all in all, this is a good laptop. I will recommend it. It does a lot faster, in YouTube and all of those things. It is quickly, that's the processing, the videos. If you want to do quickly, then I will suggest you upgrade it. All in all, yes, it's a good laptop. Will I recommend you upgrading it? Yes, if you can get it, then upgrade it. It is highly worth it. For the price, it is not bad. I will recommend you get the the student discount. If you can get that one, then get that one. And all in all, I want to know how you get this background, because I cannot find it. I have to use this dirty one. I do not like this one. I want this one. But yes, it is a good laptop. If you can get it with the student discount, then I will recommend it. Very fast, does everything you need to do, and the battery life is very good. As you can see, I charge it and it lasts me like 10 days. So this is a very good laptop for the price. I will highly recommend it. If you want it, you can get it for, I do not remember how much I paid. It was some kind of Ugandan dollars that I had to pay for this one. But all in all, very good MacBook Pro. It is very thin as well. You can put it in a little folder and carry it in your briefcase when you are going to the Ugandan meetings with the Congress. But yes, very good. As always, if you like what you see, then please subscribe. Follow me for some more tech reviews. I don't really do tech reviews, but I will review everything because that's what I do. Believe that. Oh no, I forgot to mention that it does not come with a normal USB drive, so you have to buy an attachment. I will recommend getting one of these from Amazon. They cost about £20. Come with a SD card reader, a little SD card reader, and the USB ports, HDMI ports, and this is good if you want to stream the illegal boxing on TV. Very good. Yes, so I will recommend this one. As always, bleed.